Copyright disclaimer. Had a dream earlier that I was climbing down a steep cliff. It terrified me tremendously, even if it was doable. There were people on the ground whom I was about to talk to. When we finally did, they showed their appreciation that gave me such delight. This dream was a confirmation for me to have the courage to share these things I'm about to do.
You have been taught to act the dissembler amongst the Roman Catholics, to be a Roman Catholic, and to be a spy even among your own brethren, to believe no man, to trust no man.
This is the Jesuit oath, wherein they blatantly express how they are commanded to infiltrate every organization, everything.
And obtaining their confidence to seek even to speak from their pulpits, and to denounce with all vehemence in your nature our holy religion and the Pope, and even to descend so low as to become a Jew amongst the Jews, that you might be enabled to gather together all information for the benefit of your order as a faithful soldier of the Pope.
That's to whom their loyalty lies.
To take sides with the combatants and to act secretly in concert with your brother Jesuit, who might be engaged on the other side, but openly opposed to that which you might be connected, only that the Church might be the gainer in the end, in the conditions fixed in the treaties for peace, and that in the end justifies the means.
That's only a chunk of their oath. The reason it was shared to you is that this guy is a Jesuit. But who is he? Authored the return of
Yahusha.
one of the first, if he isn't the first, to call our Mashiach.
Yahusha.
This is his store. Is that a monarch butterfly on top?
Hey,
What?
kind of sneak by.
You can't sneak by your Rod Stewart.
I am Rod Stewart.
Yeah. I'll believe you.
Yeah,
Yes, you are.
exactly.
I recognize that nose.
This is Rod
My butt
Stewart.
still hurts.
Rod Stewart. Hey,
What?
kind of sneak by.
You can't sneak by your Rod.
Wait, there's still more. Selling a
dildo.
the song of the NWO.
Some Egyptian guy.
Oh, I know.
Style.
Oh, I know.
But
Yeah, Don, yeah, you know. Uh-oh. It's the worshipful.
Chorus.
Now we know them by their fruits, the wolves in sheep's clothing.
1.
Might accuse that doesn't hold water.
Yahusha.
Is that how we should pronounce the contracted form? It has been said that the 5-letter form has nikud or vowel pointing in the Masoretic text that is still pronounced being Yahushua, while in the Dead Sea Scroll that is older, it has 6-letter form. In the Sefer Zachariah, it has been naba that the Mashiach shall be called Yahushua. Only laying down the evidences, we'll share the Akim who did lectures, videos regarding the topics that will be discussed in this video or videos depending on the length. This is written in the ISR version of the scriptures, while this is in the Hallelujah scriptures. Quite noting that Malkishua is my sovereign is wealth, Malki meaning my sovereign, Abishua, my Ab is rescue, Abi meaning my
Father.
Shua is independent, noble.
Many.
Might argue that Yeshua roots from Yasha, meaning to redeem, Yeshuati, my deliverance, my redemption. But it's quite noting that the Yesha becomes the prefix, Yeshaya, Yeshayahu. different when it becomes a suffix. If it's
Yahusha,
the yud in the yasha is missing. If it's only sha, the only that comes up are sha'a that has an aleph, shin, aleph, hey, meaning to gaze. 8159 with shin, ayin, hai, to gaze. 8173 with shin, ayin, to be smeared over, blinded. But still it's sha'a. For suffix, sha, probably to lead on. Nasha, to beguile, deceive, but this has an aleph, nun, shin, aleph. This has an ayin, pai, shin, ayin, pasha, to rebel, transgress. Rash, shin, ayin, rasha,
wicked,
criminal. It seems that the sha suffix has negative meanings. Only sharing here, no intention of contention. The Ruach HaKadosh moves in amazing ways while discussing these things with an akut who had shared the video regarding Lew White. It reminded me of a dream I had before. There was a shad that looked like
Gollum.
that Ani had rebuked in Yahushua's sham. It got surprised, telling me that I knew the real sham, the true sham of Yahushua. Some might say they are lying because they are shedim, but that reminds me of Yahushua rebuking the shedim when they revealed his identity. Then the shedim were coming out of multitudes, crying out, uttering, "You are Hamashiach, the Ben Elohim." Then rebuking them, he didn't allow them to speak, for they knew that he was Hamashiach. Again, only sharing these things may take Lanu to closer to our Hamashiach, Yahushua. All esteem to Yahuwah Abinu through Yahushua Hamashiach. Shalom, shalom.